Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Alyssa. In today's video, I'm going to be doing my hair and makeup. So let me give you the backstory of what's going down here. I got my hair done, like dyed, and I didn't have it styled. So I came home so that I could style it, do my makeup, and really see my hair for the first time. As you saw, I used my Biolage Thermal setting spray. And now I'm just running a blow dryer through my hair because since I had like pulled it back, I felt like it was still kind of damp, and I'm gonna go in with a curling iron, so I obviously don't want to fry it off any further than I did by putting bleach in it. So we're just blowing it dry. And I also like to use this Amika the Wizard heat protectant. My hair was giving Mags from the Hunger Games. If you know, you know. I had to. Anyway, so this I really feel like helps like create a smooth look, but I only put it at the ends of my hair because I feel like it looks greasy if I put it all up in my hair. Now I'm going in with my curling iron. This is just a Hot Tools curling iron. I don't remember the size. I'll put it in the description if I remember, but I was so excited to come home and do this so that I could like really see what the highlights look like. It's actually kind of been a hot minute since I had highlights in my hair, so this was just exciting to me. I feel like myself again. But yeah, I was really happy with how this turned out. I've been loving using a curling iron because it is so easy for me. Like it's so quick and easy, and it really gives you like a blowout look, I feel. And then I thought that I would just show me sectioning off my money pieces. I don't do this all the time because I'm lazy, but if I like have the time to be spending on doing my hair, then I'll make sure they're like really sectioned off when I curl it, especially since this was the first time I was seeing it done. I was so happy with it. Now we're gonna go into makeup, and I'm just doing very simple everyday makeup. First, I'm taking my Tower 28 tinted sunscreen. This is amazing. I'm obsessed with this product. I just use it with my fingers. I feel like it helps warm it up. It also is just so quick and easy. Sometimes I'll use it before work, before I'm like going to the gym, running errands. It just really helps me even out my skin tone and feel a little bit more confident. But you know, I'm not like doing a full coverage look. Now I'm just taking this concealer and spot concealing because I wanted to put that underneath the tinted sunscreen that I'm going in with on my forehead. So that's why I did that, just for a little bit of extra coverage on that spot I had on my forehead. And yeah, so I'm just taking this all over, getting in there, and now I'm going in with concealer. This is my Morphe Filter Effects concealer. Duh. It has been my favorite concealer for a long time. How cutesy is this Real Techniques sponge? I'm just using that to blend out my concealer. Up next, I am going to be filling in my eyebrows with this Anastasia brow definer. She has seen better days, honey, but this has just been my favorite brow product for like probably at least 6 years now. And I also love this Grwm Beauty brow gel, just very quick and easy brow routine. Now I'm taking this Rare Beauty cream bronzer just to, you know, warm up the complexion a little bit. This is my favorite brush for blending out contour or bronzer. I'm trying to make more of an effort to show you guys the brushes that I'm using as well as the product, because I feel like the brushes are a huge part of applying makeup, obviously, and can make the biggest difference in the world with how your makeup blends and applies. This is something new I've been trying because I've been seeing the girlies on TikTok and Reels put the cream bronzer in their eyelid crease. Now I'm taking a blush, and I always either use the Rhode blush or this Rare Beauty blush. Today I'm going in with the Rare Beauty blush because I felt like it's more cool toned, and I felt like that would look better with my hair. Up next, I'm going to set everything using my Kosas Cloud Set in the shade Airy. And I'm also using a brush from the Sephora collection. I think it's like the Pro Powder Brush or something like that. It's number 59. It's my favorite powder brush. So yeah, I'm just going in and first setting my under eyes and then the rest of my face. Now it's time for eyeshadow. I'm using my Grwm Beauty Midnight Shadows palette in the shade, or it's the Baby Doll Midnight Shadows eyeshadow palette. And first, I always just take that cream shade and set the entire lid because I put concealer on my lid, so this just mattifies it. Then in my eyelid crease, I just take the like bronzy shade, and that's all I've been doing for eyeshadow. Now on a liner brush, I am just kind of mimicking liquid liner with a deep brown eyeshadow. I wish I could wear liquid liner every day. I love the look of it, but my eyes are just really sensitive. When I wear liquid liners, they water a lot. I can't wear false lashes. It irritates my eyes too much. You'll see I'm going to use the Too Faced Naturally Better Than Sex mascara. That's been helping me. Now I'm using my Urban Decay setting spray. This is the best. It is literally like hairspray for your makeup. It's amazing. And also having a fan is a game changer. Trust me, it might seem extra. I'm using my Naturally Better Than Sex mascara by Too Faced. Up next, I have been loving this lip combo. It's the Too Faced Lip Injection Lip Shaper in the shade Hot and Spicy and this Summer Fridays Lip Balm. And that is all for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you're subscribed, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.